How to see someone's location on an iPhone. To see someone's location on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the Find My application on your iPhone. Here, you will see your location on the map. Then, you need to tap on the People section at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you can find your friends from here. You can view the location of your friends from here. Now, tap on the name of your friend. After that, you can access all the features related to your map. Now, minimize the application and open up the default messaging app on your iPhone. Now, open the conversation with your friend. Once you're in, tap on the profile name at the top of your screen. You can also view their location from here. So by following these simple steps, you can easily see someone's location on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.